The best dishwasher cycle depends on how dirty the dishes are, what kind of dishes you're washing, and your preferences. Here's a breakdown of the common dishwasher modes and when they might be most suitable. 1. Normal mode is perfect for daily use, offering a good balance between cleaning performance and saving energy. This is the standard cycle that most people use for regular, moderately soiled dishes. It uses a combination of high temperatures and powerful spray arms to effectively clean dishes. It's a good balance between cleaning performance and water usage. It's suitable for regular dishwashing needs and can effectively clean moderately soiled dishes without using excessive water or energy. 2. Eco-economy mode. Eco mode is designed to minimize water and energy consumption, making it the most environmentally friendly option. This mode is designed to save energy and water by using lower temperatures and less water. It's ideal for lightly soiled dishes that don't require intense cleaning. Eco mode can save up to 20–30% in energy and water consumption compared to the normal cycle. However, please note that it may not effectively remove tough stains or baked-on food residue. Why? Because it typically uses lower water temperatures and extends the wash cycle to achieve energy savings. So when can you use Eco mode? Eco mode is great for lightly soiled dishes and when you want to conserve resources. 3. Heavy duty mode, also known as intensive or heavy. This mode is designed for heavily soiled dishes, pots and pans. Heavy pots and pans mode. This mode is recommended for heavily soiled dishes, baked-on food or tough stains. It uses higher temperatures, longer wash times, and increased water pressure to provide maximum cleaning power. It's great for cleaning pots, pans, and bakeware, but it consumes more energy and water. It uses higher water temperatures and increased washing and rinsing cycles to tackle tough stains and grease. Heavy-duty mode is suitable for dishes with dried-on food or for when you want a thorough cleaning. Use this mode sparingly, only when it's utmost necessity. Frequent use of this mode leads to wear on the machine. 4. Quick mode. Some dishwashers offer a quick or express mode, which is designed to wash dishes in a shorter amount of time. This mode is ideal for when you need clean dishes in a hurry, but may not provide the same level of cleaning as other modes. 5. Sanitize mode uses higher temperatures to kill bacteria on items like baby bottles, cutting boards, or dishes used for handling raw meat. It's also helpful during cold and flu season for disinfecting dishes and utensils. Ultimately, the best mode for your dishwasher depends on your specific needs and priorities. The normal mode is usually the best option for most homes because it cleans well and saves resources. If your dishes are slightly dirty and you want to save energy and water, use the Eco mode. Use the heavy pots and pans mode for very dirty dishes or hard stains, but only occasionally because it uses more resources. When choosing a dishwasher mode, consider the type of dishes, how dirty they are, and your household's energy and water use preferences.